What's up, guys? It's Dave here from AIRSOFT GI and GI Tactical in Plano, Texas. I'm here with my good buddy Matt and Black Wolf Videos. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, make sure you tag us, and you hit up AIRSOFTGI.com because we got cool stuff. But most importantly, make sure you watch these guys' videos because they put out some quality content and we love them. Check them out.
I feel so loved. I have friends.
Oh, you have one friend. Oh, but it's me, so it's cool. Okay, cool. Hell yeah. Check them out.
Really light hits like around here.
YouTuber? Subscribe to this dude, he's a legend.
But you know. Hey, that's cameraman. Cameraman.
So Tegan, what's the winning strategy this time?
Shoot and don't get shot.
I like
As
it.
usual.
Short, sweet, simple, to the point.
Keep it simple, stupid.
All right, I'm looking forward to it.
Alright, sorry about the corner line, guys. We had some technical difficulties, and there's also a ton of you out here today. I want to say 405 is the total count right now, so that is a crazy amount of people. Okay, now, before we get started about gameplay, I'm going to go over a couple safety rules that we all should follow. Sound good? Yeah! Alright, cool. Alright, just listen up. Auto, you must be 20 feet away to use your full auto capability. Does that make sense?
I'm sorry, you guys sounded like you were still asleep. I said good morning, King Morty! I mean, I guess technically it's like almost afternoon. You guys ready to sling some BBs? Me too. Okay, so to kind of come alongside with what Dallas was just saying, I have two things I want to ask you guys today, okay? Alright. Here they are. Number one, this one should be easy because as Dallas just said, we are the absolute best at playing airsoft anywhere in the world, right? Yeah. All right, rule number one for BB Wars. Call your hits. Everybody got it? Yeah. Rule number two. This one is the hard one. Don't call somebody else's hits. Yeah. Here's how we're going to handle that today. If you're shooting a guy and he's not calling his hits, you have two options. Get an admin, or my personal favorite, get closer and shoot him again. Don't overdo it, guys. Like, please be respectful. If it's bad, you had to shoot him more than a couple of times. Get him out and do the right thing. On that note, here's the deal with the games today. There will be a lot going on, and not all of you will know everything that's going on. If you see a prop on the field and you have not been instructed to move it, maneuver it, or do something with it, don't freaking touch it. Everybody got it? Yeah! On the grounds I meditate, when it runs out, it runs out. Your commander might not give it to you all in one go for the first game. Maybe he doesn't trust you to not waste it on everybody. Maybe he gives it to you all at once, but when it's gone, it's gone. So if you guys have blown all your medic lives by game 2, you guys are out of luck in game 4. So make sure you guys are being smart, okay? Somebody runs into this problem every game, so I'm warning you now. So when you come whining me later and say, oh, well, we ran out of medic tape, I'm just going to say, sorry, I told you at the briefing. And if you come back at me with, sorry, I wasn't at the briefing, I'm just going to laugh at you.
What was that again?
I'm not here. Somebody make sure they friendly fire that guy in the back. All right, we're going to split you guys up into teams. I'll let Dallas handle all of that. We will give you your objective briefings there because the point of this game is that neither side knows what the other one is up to. All you know is that you guys have a job to do, and if you're the rebels, the law-abiding, totally did nothing wrong empire is there to stop you. If you are the empire, there's this funny-looking band of scruffy-looking Hereford cowboys trying to stop you. But we're going to have a good, clean game. Everyone's going to have a bunch of fun.
Who are you calling scruffy-looking?
You specifically. You guys all ready to sling speedies? Okay.
Alright, if you are the leader of a group that you're running with, know that we will be contacting you to move your people in accordance to whatever plan we are doing. This game mode is asset denial. We are keeping the Imperials from destroying our weapons caches, all right? There'll be some over in the clinic or Grozny, depending on how you know what it's called. And then there's going to be stuff scattered in town, all right?
Yeah? You're with him. Where's he at?
We're all cool. Yellow, my
Hey,
friend.
everybody, check your bodies. Make sure you got face pro. Where's the big man? Josh. You gotta let people know what's going on. What their objectives is. Objective is to kill Tegan. That's our objective.
I second that.
Repeatedly. Hey, everybody, quiet down. Josh ain't that loud.
Alright, y'all, we got 3 main objectives for y'all in this scenario. I need y'all to destroy some weapon crates that they have procured, recover crates of any illegal goods that you find, and capture the Legionnaire commander.
Here's how that's gonna break down. We've got crates over here in the town. Those are ours to bring back. You will find some blue crates. Those are yours to defend until told otherwise. Everybody copy? The KRF is going to take the lead on taking down the commander. But we're not going to complain if any of you beautiful looking Imperials decide you want to help out. So if you see the son of a gun, shoot him and bring him to us. Copy?
Let's get out there and kill some rebel scum!
Alright, everybody take up. Look at the man on your left. He is your shield. Look at the man on your right. He is your sword. With these 2 weapons, we will make war. Are you guys ready to crush some rebels? All right, get ready, boys. We got some walking to do. We have to shoot Tegan.
Sorry, my bad. Wait, already here. Oh.
That didn't work well.
Jose, we need medic! Get across that bridge! Cut right! Cut right! Get across, go right, go behind Bobcat, go behind the refinery. Keep pushing! Don't stop! Do not stop! Hey, you guys over here, you're not doing any good. Hustle, let's go.
All right, we've got at least one guy of ours at the frickin' center building. All right.
Who needs medic? Yeah, pretty excited. Yeah, do that. That'll do. Hey! Oh, I see him. There's our back there.
How can we ever run into those trees?
Hey, right in front of you. I need a long range gun. You see him? He's right down that window, right there. Which window? That's the 8-ball. No, you got at least clean one. In the window. He wearing back right?
Clean the window door.
That's the dude moving on the process. Yep. Hey, they're running right again, one way right. All right. Behind the red house.
Yeah, we got a medic on this. I got back. Oh, hey!
Sorry, bud. Sorry.
Go.
Who else needed to go? Who else needed to go?
What about this, fans? We can't tell right now. I'm just so happy. Never been so. You good?
Are you good?
Be careful. So there's the closest, the gray building and the red building down. There's one in there. He's dead now, though. And further down is the field building.
Barrels right over here. I think he's kind of, his head is super right above the barrel.
Hey man, remember you gotta stick your barrel on the full out of it.
Camera guy.
Are they to the right?
Where you?
Captain, they're pushing across here in between, kind of over where the chop shop used to be.